In this video, we will discuss December 2019 paper number 2. Question number 51. Theory of form and allegory of chaos is related with option A is correct Plato. Question number 52. Arthashastra is known as option D is correct Niti Shastra. Question number 53. Vandana Shiva is known as option C is correct ecofeminist. Now question number 154, simply 54. Which one of the following freedoms was not mentioned by Roosevelt? Option D is correct freedom against exploitation. Question number 55. Who is not the supporter of libertarianism? Option C is correct Robert Dahl. Question number 56. The best propounder of pluralist theory of citizenship was option C is correct B.S. Turner. Question number 57. Distributive justice is mainly concerned with the distribution of honor or wealth. Who said it? Option B is correct Aristotle. Question number 58. Who had condemned utilitarianism in his theory of justice? Option C is correct John Rawls. Question number 59. Which among the following is the full title of the book written by Mary Wollstonecraft? Option B is correct. A vindication of the rights for the women with a structure on political and moral subjects. Question number 60. Who said every state is known by the right that it maintains? Option A is correct. Lasky. Question number 61. Which incident made Periyar an atheist? Option B is correct. Kashi pilgrimage incident. Question number 62. When was Jayaprakash Narayan awarded with Bharat Ratna? Option A is correct 1999. Now question number 63. In which year did Rabindranath Tagore surrender the knighthood as a protest against Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Option A is correct 1919. Question number 64. Which one of the following is not related to Kabir? Option A is correct Begumpara. Now question number 65. In which year Government of India decided to observe the birth of Swami Vivekanand as the National Youth Day? Option A is correct 1984. Now question number 66. Who is the author of the book Escape from Freedom? Option B is correct Eric Fromm. Question number 67. The author of the book Nation and Nationalism is option A is correct Ernest Gellner. Question number 68. Which one of the following is not correct? Option D is correct. Nation and state are coterminous. Question number 69. The book Political Order in Changing Society is written by option D is correct S.P. Huntington. Question number 70. The book Aspect of Political Development is written by option A is correct Lucian Pye. Question number 71. According to Gabriel Almond, comparatively homogeneous culture is found in option A is correct developed countries. Question number 72. Which one of the following is not a function of political parties? Option D is correct rule adjudication. Question number 73. Which one of the following is incorrect statement? Option D is correct. Globalization tends to perpetuate parochial culture. Question number 74. Who had formed the Society for Rights to Die with Dignity? Option B is correct. Mino Masani. Question number 75. Who had differentiated between natural and conventional inequality? Option C is correct. Rousseau. Question number 76. Kyoto Protocol was enforced in option C is correct 2005. Question number 77. When did International Labour Organization become a specialized agency of United Nations Organization? Option B is correct 1946. Question number 78. From legal point of view, which one of the following is called a soft law? Option A is correct right to environment. Now question number 79. इन विच ईयर यूनेस्को वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड? यूनेस्को की स्थापना किस वर्ष में हुई थी? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट 1945. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. On which of the following date India joined as a member of the United Nations Human Rights Council? Option C is correct 1 January 2019. Question number 81. The term Sanskritization was coined by option A is correct M.N. Srinivas. Question number 82. Which article of the Indian Constitution provide power to the President to promulgate ordinances? Option A is correct Article 123. Now question number 83. Which one of the following statement about the power of the President is correct? Option C is correct. He can disqualify a member of parliament under Article 102 on the recommendation of the Election Commission. Question number 84. Who defined public administration as the art and science of management applied to the affair of the state? Option C is correct. D. Dwight Waldo. Question number 85. The sequencing of communication process in organization is option D is correct. Sender, encoding, message and channel. Question number 86. Who defined leadership as the ability of a manager to induce subordinates to work with zero and confidence? Option A is correct. Kunz and O'Donnell. Question number 87. Under which constitutional provision election to panchayat bodies are conducted in India? Option B is correct. Article 243K. Question number 88. Name the editor of the book Towards a New Public Administration, Menlo Brook. Option B is correct. Frank Marini. Question number 89. Which constitutional provision provides for formation of the Gram Sabha? Option A is correct. Article 243A. Question number 90. Which one of the following type of policy evaluation lays emphasis on determining the success level in achieving its basic objectives? Option B is correct. That is program impact evaluation. Question number 91. Which one of the following two are correct? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct. A and B. That is according to Auguste Comte, the principal method are observation, experiment and comparison. And according to Bluntschli, the true methods are philosophical and historical. Question number 92. Which one of the following are the arguments for women equality? Option C is correct. A and B. A is inferiority of women to men is socially constructed and has no legal justification. B. Non-application of the principle of liberty and equality to the condition of women is paradoxical. Now question number 93. Which one of the following pairs are correctly matched? Option A is correct. A and B, that is John Rawls' egalitarian society and Plato is an idealist thinker. Question number 94. Which one of the following two are correct regarding the adoption of the inductive method? Option C is correct. That is B and D, Machiavelli and Thomas Hobbes. Now question number 95. Which one of the following two are correct? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct. A and B. Plato laid more emphasis on duties than right and his ideal state was merely an idea and not a reality. Question number 96. Which one of the following writers are from Italy? Option A is correct. Vilfredo Pareto and Gaetano Mosca. Question number 97. Agni Sutta deals with. Option C is correct. A and B, that is origin of life and origin of social order and caste. Question number 98. Ram Manohar Lohia was opposed to. Option A is correct. A and B, capitalism and communism. Question number 99. Which statement are true about the election commissioner? Option D is correct. That is A, C and D. A. He is appointed by the president. C. He can be removed by the president only on the recommendation of chief election commissioner and his term of office is 6 years or up to the age of 3. Option 4 is correct. That is A, C and D. Now question number 100. Which one of the following statement about the definition of welfare state is correct? Option C is correct. That is A, B and C, all of the above. It is a state that provides for its citizen a wide range of social services. It is a compromise between communism on one side and unbridled individual on the other side. Welfare state set a pattern for any humane or progressive society and welfare state guarantees a minimum standard of subsistence without removing incentive to private sectors. Question number 101. Which one of the following statement regarding WTO are correct? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct. That is, it is the only international organization dealing with global trades rule between the nations and its headquarters is in Geneva. Now question number 102. Which one of the following two are correct regarding the right to development? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct. That is, the Declaration on the Right to Development was adopted by the General Assembly in 1986 and this is an inalienable human right. Now question number 103. Which one of the following two statements are true regarding the Indo-Pak relationship in Kashmir? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct. A and D. A. The Security Council first discussed the issue of Jammu Kashmir in 1948 and D. Terrorist attack on Samjhota Express was made in 2007. Now question number 104. Which one of the following two statements are correct regarding Chinese policy of theory of palm and 5 fingers? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct. A and B. A. It includes Bhutan and Nepal and it includes Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Ladakh. Now question number 105. That is, which one of the following statement are true regarding the composition of Rajya Sabha? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct. A, B and D. A. Not more than 238 member represent state and union territories in Rajya Sabha. B. Representatives of Pondicherry in Rajya Sabha are elected. And fourth schedule of the constitution deal with the allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha to the states. Question number 106. On which ground the following writ of certiorari can be issued by the judiciary? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct. A and C, that is lack of jurisdiction and excess of jurisdiction. Now question number 107. Which one of the following two statements are correct regarding preamble of the Indian Constitution? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct. A and B. A, justice is social, economic and political. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Question number 108. The positive impact of liberalization are. Option A is correct. A, B and D. Foreign investment, increase in production and technological advancement. Question number 109. RICS fused model is based on. Option A is correct. A, C and D. A is dependence on agriculture. C, domination of royal family. And D, economic system based on barter system. Now question number 110. Which are the themes of the new public management? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct, that is A, B and C. Adaptation of private sector practices, improved reporting and monitoring mechanism, and performance target. Question number 111. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India can undertake evaluation studies on the basis of which one of the following? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct. On its own initiative, the request of financial committees and the directive in legislation. Question number 112. Which one of the following statement about the significance of public policy is correct? Option C is correct, that is A, B and D. A, public policy help in achieving socio-economic development. Public policy help maintain national unity and integrity, and public policy aims at shaping the society for its betterment. Question number 113. 73rd Amendment of the Constitution seeks to provide which one of the following Panchayati Raj institution? Option A is correct. A, B and C, that is constitutional status, financial autonomy and empowerment of marginalized section of the rural population. Question number 114. Which one of the following are the salient features of the draft national water policy of 2012? Option B is correct, all of the above, that is setting up the water regulatory authorities, incentivization of recycle and reuse, community participation in managing the water resources project, and water user associations should be given statutory powers. Question number 115. Which one of the following statement about the National Health Policy 2007 are correct? Option A is correct, that is A, B and C. A, it aims to ensure availability of 2 bed per 1,000 population. Its purpose, free drug, free diagnostic and free emergency healthcare service in a public hospital, and reduction of total fertility rate to 2.1 at national and sub-national level by 2025. Now question number 116. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct, that is for A, Marx's theory of alienation. It is economic and philosophical manuscript of 1844. Alienation and objectification is George Lucas. Contemporary theory of alienation is Eric Fromm. And one dimensionalization studies in the ideology of advanced industrial is option A, Herbert Marcuse. Now question number 117. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct. Jayaprakash Narayan is why socialism. Ram Manohar Lohia is sole taxation in India. Muhammad Iqbal is the reconstruction of religious thought in Islam. And Barini is Fatwa-e Jagirdari. Question number 118. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct. Mary Wollstonecraft is vindication of the right of women. Gramsci is the prison notebook. Frantz Fanon is the wrench of the earth. And John Rawls is political liberalism. Now question number 119. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct. Psychological school is Daniel Lerner. Normative school is Mahatma Gandhi. Structural school is Gabriel Almond. And technological school is David Epter. Now question number 120 is match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct. Convention on Offences and Certain Other Act committed on board aircraft Tokyo is in 1963. Convention for Suppression of Unlawful Act against the Safety of Civil Aviation Montreal is option C 1971, and International Convention for Suppression of Terrorist Bombing is in 1997, and International Convention for Suppression of Financing of Terrorism is 1999. Now question number 121. List one with list one. Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct. Economic Community of Western African State has 15 members. South African Development Community has 16 members. Economic Community of Central African State has 12 members, and the Eastern African Community has 6 members. Now question number 122 is match list one with list two and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct. Absolute veto is power to say no to a bill passed by both the houses. Qualified veto is president cannot withhold assent in bill is adopted against by the both houses. Suspensive veto is when a bill is returned for reconsideration, and pocket veto is president may either assent or refuse to give assent without any time limit. Question number 123. Match list one with list two and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct. Paul H. Appleby, Morality and Administration in Democratic Government. John M. Gloss, L.D. White and M. E. Demock is Principal of Administration. Is the Frontier of Public Administration. W.F. Willoughby is Principal of Administration, and D. White Waldo is the Ideas and Issues in Public Administration. Now question number 124. Match list one with list two and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct. Two-factor theory given by Herzberg. Hierarchy of needs is given by Maslow. Theory of needs is given by McClelland, and the theory of X and Y is given by McGregor. Now question number 125. Match list one with list two and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct. Common High Court for two or more states is given in Article 231. Transfer of certain cases to High Court is given in Article 228. Appointment of district judges is given in Article 233, and administrative expenses of High Court is given under Article 229. Now question number 126 is arrange these in chronological order and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct. First is Rousseau's social contract, then John Rawls theory of justice, then Ben and R.S. Peters social principle and democratic state, and last is Susan Moller Oakins justice, gender and family. Now question number 127. Arrange the following ashram institution founded by Gandhi in chronological order. Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct. First is the Phoenix settlement, then Tolstoy farm, then Kochrab ashram, and the last is Sevagram ashram. Now question number 128. Arrange the following books as per the year of their publication in the chronological order and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct. First is the American Commonwealth, then Public Opinion and Popular Government, then Modern Democracy, and the last is Constitutional Government and Democracy. Now question number 129. Arrange the following of the United Nations system in their chronological order. Option B is correct. 1 is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, then International Finance Corporation, then International Development Association, and the last is Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. Now question number 130. Arrange the following institution or organization in chronological order. Option A is correct. First is G7, then G20, then IBSA, and then BRICS Development Bank. Now question number 131. Arrange the following in their chronological order. Option A is correct. First is the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, then the report submission by the Hunter Committee, and the Chori Chora incident, and the last is establishment of Swaraj Party. Now question number 132. Arrange the formation of following states in the chronological order. Option D is correct. First is Gujarat, then Sikkim, then Goa, and the last is Telangana. Now question number 133. Make a sequence of decision making approach. Option C is correct. Problem recognition, then search for information, then selection of alternative, and the last is definition of alternatives. Question number 134. Arrange the following in ascending order in the chronological order. Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct. First is the Consumer Protection Amendment Act, then Food Security Act, then the Prevention of Corruption Amendment Act, and the Right to Education Act. Now question number 135. Arrange the following 4 reports of Second Administrative Reform Commission in the sequential order. Option A is correct. First is Right to Information, then Unlocking Human Capital, then Crisis Management, and the last is Ethics and Governance. Now question number 136. Assertion reason. Assertion. Aristotle was the first thinker to adopt inductive method, but it was accidental. Reason. In case of Machiavelli, use of inductive method was intentional. Option B is correct. Both the statements are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 137 is assertion reason. Assertion. According to Plato, human soul consists of three elements: reason, spirit, and aptitude. Reason, the state as the individual written large. Option B is correct. Both the statement are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 138. Assertion reason. Assertion. United Nations Organization was established on 24 October 1945. Reason, its main objective is to establish world peace and security. Option A is correct. Both the statement are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now, question number 139. Assertion reason. Assertion. Shimla Pact was signed by India and Pakistan in 1972. Reason, it provides that the two countries will solve their dispute through mediation of their other countries. Option C is correct. A is true but R is wrong. Now question number 140. Assertion reason. Assertion. Herbert Simon rejected principle of administration. Reason, for Simon these are merely proverbs. Option A is correct. Both the statement are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 141. Read the passage and choose the correct option from the code given below. For question number 141, option A is correct. Which one of the following is postmodernist thinker? Option A, Jacques Derrida. Question number 142. Who among the following is not a postmodernist thinker? Option D is correct, J. Burton. Question number 143. According to postmodernist thinker, which attribute of knowledge does not exist? Option D is correct, objectivity. Question number 144. Which one of the following term is not preferred by the postmodernist thinker? Option C is correct, modernism. Question number 145. Which one of the following statement is incorrect according to postmodernist thinker? Option C is correct, knowledge lead to progress of the world. Now question number 146 is same. Read the passage and choose the correct option from the code given below. Question number 146. Globalization has benefited the countries of, option A is correct, Europe and Latin America. Question number 147. Globalization has induced greater, option A is correct, urbanization. Question number 148. Which one of the following has not limited the state sovereignty? निम्नलिखित में से किसने राज्य संप्रभुता को सीमित नहीं किया है? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, इज इकोनॉमिक ग्रुप. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 149. The globalization has increased the demand for, option A is correct, laissez-faire state. Last question, question number 150. Which one of the following is incorrect? The state has become weak in shaping, option D is correct, collection of revenues.